We'll guide you through how to use Zapier with ChatGPT, making your workflows more efficient and automated. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Zapier website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up for one. Once logged in, click on the Make a Zap button at the top right corner. This will start the process of creating a new automation. In the Trigger app search bar, type in ChatGPT and select it from the list. Choose the trigger event you want, like receiving a new message or a specific prompt. Then, click Continue and sign in to your OpenAI account if prompted, granting Zapier access to your ChatGPT account. Once connected, set up your trigger by filling in the necessary fields, such as specifying the chat or conversation you want to monitor. After configuring the trigger, click Test Trigger to ensure everything is working correctly. Next, it's time to set up the action part of your Zap. In the Action app search bar, type in the app or service you want to connect with ChatGPT. This could be anything from Gmail to Slack to Google Sheets, depending on what you want to achieve. Select your desired action from the list, like sending an email or adding a row to a spreadsheet. Then, follow the prompts to connect your chosen app to Zapier, granting the necessary permissions for access. Fill out the required fields to customize how the action should be performed based on the data from ChatGPT. Click Test Action to run a test and ensure the integration works smoothly. Once everything is set up and tested, you can turn on your Zap by clicking the toggle switch. Congratulations! You've now automated a process using Zapier and ChatGPT, streamlining your workflow. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.